And this is Queen Sahaba. Today we're going to check and see what's inside these two boxes. And we're going to see a mystery surprise. And if we open it, we're going to be surprised.
Okay, open now.
Guys, let's open! Wait, let me know. That doesn't know, so I'm gonna help. Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Now buy it. Wow! Whoa! Acrobat! Even me! 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 Wow! Okay. Oh. Wow! Wow! This is wow! Wow! Acrobat! Look at this! And my daddy too! Wow! Whoa! It's a boat.
Okay, can you show it?
There. Yeah.
Okay, go there, there. You stay there. Show your dress.
Where's the headband of mine?
You have your teeth in there. Look.
Oh, that's mine. Oh, that's mine. Come here. Okay. What's this? Hey, put it back. That's mine.
Okay, there's more, Maxine. Can you please open it more?
Nice. Oh, there's some more for me. Oh.
Can you show it, please?
I want to pick this one. I'm gonna pick the golden one. Oh.
Okay, show more of your dress.
And snake. Wow.
Okay, you show.
Thank you, guys.
No, you only show your dress.
Mommy, is this the part of my dress?
Yeah, that's so nice.
Wow.
Can you show all your stuff in there?
Okay. Wonderful skirt. Even have some. And this. I already showed it. And now comes the big part. Here comes the big part. Yeah. Okay, so that's all I get. Hey, that's my Hema. Wow! What's my Hema? Oh, okay. And, oh, it's only mine. Oh, sorry. Mommy, why did you shirt cut?
Oh, here comes Ellie.
Yeah, she's
Yay! How about my Ellie? Where's her dress? Where's your dress, baby Ellie?
Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.
Bye. Ganun.
Bye.
Hi guys, come on in.
Hi, guys.
Please like and subscribe.